Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a quick between the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite compared to the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Starting off with powering them down. For this guy, you gotta do that. For my phone here, ah crap. Alright. Which one's gonna be the tablet? The tablet. One. It's a rarity. Alright. You just tap. Oh my god! They killed Kitty! Notice so see this? I'm gonna be changing my clock style. There we go. Now for here, this, you can reposition it anywhere. But unfortunately, you can't do it with the tablet. Now it's time for the ringtones on both. So one thing you notice is I have a switch on the tablet. But with the phone, I have buttons. I'm gonna pop in the case here. Get in there. I'd rather not break the phone for the tablet here. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, and here's the S Pen, by the way. Okay. Simply do that. Pop it in like that. I'm going to start with my tablets over the horizon. I'm going to try it. That was the tablets over the horizon. I don't like my media too loud. I have to have a ringtone loud. Now for my phone. Don't even try this, YouTube. Don't even try, YouTube. It's over the horizon on my Samsung phone. As well as one on the tablet. There. Don't even try, YouTube. Okay, so we're here. The tablet is on One UI 5.1. For the phone here, it's on One UI 6.0. So here's the button sound. Just the usual. So yeah. Oh, and the charging sounds. Here's what my phone's charging sound is. Let me try that again. Now for the tablet. Again. There. So that's gonna do for this video. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. Peace out, everybody.